After years of being battled over in the courts, the Iowa Supreme Court has ruled most abortions in Iowa are banned as early as 6 weeks after pregnancy. Friday's decision reverses the lower court's ruling that put a temporary stop to Iowa's fetal heartbeat law, which Governor Reynolds initially signed back in 2018 and then re-signed another version in 2023. The majority ruling was 4 in favor of the reversal and 3 dissenting. The new law bans most abortions after about 6 weeks of pregnancy and before many women know they are pregnant. Shortly after the ruling was announced, emotions ran high on both sides of the issue. Pro-life advocates rejoiced at the Capitol. The coalition of pro-life leaders held a prayer gathering this morning until the decision was announced. Abortion rights advocates are disappointed with the state's Supreme Court decision.
This is a monumental win for Iowa women, for Iowa families, for babies. A baby is a unique and distinct person from its mother, and it deserves protection under our law.
This is a matter of individuals in Iowa being able to make their own medical decisions without the presence of our governor, our legislature, and our courts in the exam room with them.
The lightning rod decision has leaders from both sides weighing in with passion. Iowa Democratic Party Chair Leader Rita Hart released a statement on X social media this morning. She says Republicans went too far with the abortion ban. It reads, quote, "Today, Iowa women have been stripped of reproductive rights that they have maintained for more than 50 years. It goes on to say, it's obvious Kim Reynolds and Iowa Republicans do not trust women to make their own decisions regarding their own medical care or doctors to use their best judgment while treating their patients." Democratic candidates for Iowa's 3rd District, Lanon Bakan, also shared his reaction on X. He said, quote, "This ruling is absolutely devastating for women across our state. Abortion is now banned in Iowa before most women even know they're pregnant, making this one of the most restrictive and dangerous abortion bans in the entire country." Governor Kim Reynolds shared her reaction quickly on X and said, "There is no right more sacred than life and nothing more worthy of our strongest defense than the innocent unborn. As the heartbeat bill finally becomes law, we are deeply committed to supporting women in planning for parenthood, motherhood, and promoting fatherhood and its importance in parenting. We'll continue to develop policies that encourage strong families, which includes promoting adoption and protecting in vitro fertilization, IVF." Iowa Attorney General Brenna Bird shared a photo on social media. She says today's ruling made it clear Iowa stands for life.